Okay, boys and girls, this is going to be a teaching video. So we need paper and pencil so we can do some practice problems together before you're expected to do a ticket out the door. Okay? So get those things ready and have them ready every time, every class period. Always have it next to you when you get your day started. Math journal, paper, pencil. This is called estimating products, and that is going to be our lesson today. Estimating is when you do not need a precise answer. So let me show you an example of what that looks like. We're going to use an addition equation this time. So estimating is something that we can do mentally in our head. We don't need a calculator. We don't need paper and pencil. It's quick and easy. It's when we don't need an exact answer. So you don't need an exact answer. You just need an answer that is going to be close or reasonable. So here we have 36. So this is where your rounding skills come into play. So we've already learned about rounding, and so this is just evolving. And now we're going to take that skill and put it into this skill. 36. Let's round 36 to the nearest 10 because it only has tens. So 36 is between 30 and 40. So is it closer to 30 or 40? It's closer to 40. So we're going to estimate, we're going to round this to 40, and we're going to round this one. 48 is between 40 and 50. 48 is closest to 50. So you see how we can add this in our head real quick. 40 plus 50. We know that 4 plus 5 is 9. So 40 plus 50 is going to be 90. That's called rounding. That's when we don't need the exact answer. I need about 90 cupcakes to serve at my party. When we need an exact answer, that's when we actually have to calculate this equation. We can't change it in any way, shape, or form because we need the exact answer. And this is one that I have to do with paper and pencil or a calculator to get the exact answer. It's not easy to compute in my head. This is an exact answer. This is a estimation that is close to this number, and it's a reasonable answer. So we're going to be using this skill quite a bit today. So get ready. Let me erase this board and we'll practice. All right, let's write 5 times 72 on your paper. So this is called a 1-digit factor, and this is a 2-digit factor. So this is a simple 1 by 2 multiplication problem, which you did in 3rd grade. Now, when you have a single digit like 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1-digit number, you do not round those numbers. You leave it alone. The only thing we round are 2-digit numbers and more, okay? So since this is a 2-digit number, we will round this one to the nearest 10, and we're going to leave this one alone. So let's write 5 times, and I want you to think about, let's underline the greatest place value. The greatest place value is the tens place. If you think of a number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is 7 tens? What is 7 between? It's between 6 and 8. So we know that 72 is between 60 and 80. All right? I'm sorry. All right, so we're going to look at 72. It has 7 tens. We're going to round 72. We're going to put 72 on the number line. 72 is between 70 and 80, correct? So which one of those is 72 closest to? Is it closer to 70 or 80? It's closer to 70. So we're going to multiply 5 times 70. All right. Now remember the strategy where we multiply our basic fact first, and then you see the 0, then you're going to add the 0 to the end. So go ahead and let's multiply 5 times 7. Okay, 5 times 7 equals 35. And what are we going to do with this 0? We're going to put it on the back. So we can say that 5 times 72 is about, or closest to, or nearest, or approximately 350. All right, let's pause again and let's do another. Write this expression on your board, 2 times 3,781. And we want to estimate the product. We don't need the exact answer. We just need an answer that is reasonable, that is going to get us close to the exact answer without having to use a calculator or paper and pencil. So what do we do with a 1-digit number? Do we round it? No, we don't round a 1-digit number, so it stays the same. Now let's think about this digit, or this number. It has 4 digits, 3,781. 3,781. It's between, on a number line, what thousands? If you look right here, it tells you it's between 3,000 and 4,000. So this one is between 3,000 and 4,000. What do you think is closer to? Is it closer to 3,000 or is it closer to 4,000? Think about that. 3,781 is closer to 4,000. So we're going to write that here, 4,000. All right, now take your pencil and let's underline the basic fact. That's 2 times 4. Underline that. What is 2 times 4? 2 times 4 is 8. So what do we do with these 3 zeros? Where do we put them? Take those 3 zeros and put them down here. 1, 2, 3. And what else do we need? We need a comma. 1, 2, 3. Comma me. So what is our estimated product of 2 times 3,781? It's 8,000. Yeah, we could do that in our head. 2 times, that's about 4,000. 2 times 4,000. Oh, that's 8,000. Got it. Done. Okay. Let's do another one. Practice, practice, practice makes perfect. Pause the video if you need to. I'm going to take a quick water break. This is my Sam's Clear Choice grape soda, cherry soda. All right, here we go. Let's do another 1-digit number. Let's see what factors. Let's do a 3. 3 times 624. 3 times 624. So again, what do we do to this 1-digit number? Do we round it up or down? Leave it alone. It's 1 digit. Okay. That 6 tells us it's going to be between 600 and what? 624 is between 600 and 700. But what's it closest to? Go ahead and write that down. Is it closer to 600 or is it closer to 700? It's closer to 600. All right, underline your basic fact right here. So did you underline 3? And 6. Okay, so what's 3 groups of 6? 6, 12, 18. So we know that 3 times 6 is 18. But we're not finished. What do we do here with these two? We're going to write them or add them to the back of our basic fact. And then what do we need? 1, 2, 3, comma me. All right, good. Next one is on your own. Okay, you ready? You ready? You can do this. Okay, let me erase this real quick. The main thing is if you know your math facts, then that makes it go faster. If you don't know your math facts, you're going to have to sit there and count and make a T-chart or something to get your math facts down, okay? So keep practicing those. Let's do 4 times 325. All right? I'm going to pause the video this time, and I'm going to let you tell me what this number is rounded to. And then you're going to underline your basic fact. You're going to solve your basic fact, and then you'll add your zeros to the end. So let's see if you can do it now. I bet you can. I'm going to pause and come back. All right, so I underlined a 3 here because this is my greatest place value. And I know that this 3 tells me the first clue, tells me 300. So I know this number is between 300 and then the next 100, one more would be 400. And I know that 325 is closer to 300. So I wrote that down. Then I underlined my basic fact, 4 times 3. I solved that to get 12. And then what did I do with the 2 zeros? I added them to the end, and then I did my 1, 2, 3, and put my comma in. I circled my final answer, which is 1,200. All right, one more. Whoops, let me come over here. All right, this one's yours. I'm not going to give you any clues, any hints. So if you've been writing this down and taking your notes and practicing with me, you already know what to do. If you did not do those things, I would like for you to go back and really, boys and girls, you can't just watch the video or skip through it. This is me teaching you, okay? I can't be live with you. So this is me at home in front of my chalkboard and my little classroom that I made up for you. And I would like for you to do this one by yourself, okay? And then you're going to have a ticket out the door. All right, here we go. 5 times 2,435 is closest to, I wrote down, underline the 2, because it tells me I need to write 2,000, that this number is between 2,000 and 3,000. So I know that because the 4 is less than 5, that it's going to round to 2,000. So I wrote my factors, 5 times 2,000. I underlined my basic fact, got 10, and then I took my 3 zeros and shifted my 10 over to the 10,000s place when I put those 3 zeros back here. So our final product is 10,000. So boys and girls, that is how we estimate products. And you're probably wondering, why are we estimating products? It's because when we don't need an exact answer. Ask your mom and dad. They will tell you that they use estimation a lot of times, maybe even daily. So it is a life skill that you need to learn, and you'll get better at as you use it. Okay? Have a great day. Finish your lessons, and if you need anything, text me. Well, not text me, email me, message me. Okay? Love you guys.